And today I'm going to show you how to get rid of bug stains on your car. As you can see, we've got a ton of these stains on the car here, and I'll come over this side. We've got some on all over the front. We had a 7-hour drive and it's all over here, and you can see it's all over that here and back of the side mirrors here. So we're going to get this off. What we have here is some turtle wax bug and tar remover. So we're going to try this out. Okay, we're going to put some water in this bucket we'll use here, and we went ahead and shook it up here, and it says to spray it 6 to 7 inches away from the car and to leave it sit and dwell for about 1 minute. Let's try it out here. It's safe on glass as well, so you don't have to worry about getting it on glass. The good thing is it's like a foam, so it kind of clings to the car. And I'm just speeding this up a little bit. And this does create a foam, and it sticks to the actual kind of like blood and guts, I think, of the bugs, and it kind of helps soften them up. Or if you have like a tar on your car, it'll help with that too. I'll let this sit for about a minute. All right, so it's been about a minute here. And what we'll do is we'll take the microfiber cloth and just kind of come at it and rub in a circular motion on the vehicle here. And as you can see, it's already starting to take off the bug blood and guts, I guess you could say, and it's doing a pretty good job. There's one little piece that's sticking right there that we'll get off later, but it's working pretty well. And I have not really soaked this with water yet. It's just kind of a dry cloth. I'm putting a little bit of water on it now, but I think I would start off without it getting wet. I think it did a little bit better with that. I mean, you can do it with it wet. You're just going to have to spray it afterwards with a hose, and you just might have to kind of come back at it again. But as you can see, I think this is working pretty well. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the comments, and the description. It's the Turtle. I think it's the Turtle brand, and I just showed you what it was there. So, and I just pointed out here, you can use it on these lights here. It works on glass. And I'm speeding it up here a little bit just to get the front off. And you can see on the grates here, you can kind of, did spray it on the grates, but to actually get in there, you're probably going to want a low powered pressure washer, or you can just use a hose and bring that up to the little front darkened grates here. I would use multiple rags on this. It did kind of permanently gunk up this microfiber cloth, just kind of it was like a shampoo that would not come off of the microfiber cloth. So I would probably get a few different throwaway microfiber cloths to use on this rather than just one to use for the whole project. That's what I would kind of take back if I was doing it again. And you can use it on these headlights, of course. This does work on bird poop as well. And I'm just kind of trying to get it off here. It kind of creates like a paste, like a baking soda type paste on the cloth, which could be an issue. And ideally, you'd have a full pressured hose. This would have had a hole in the side, as you could see earlier, but you want to wash off your car and get all that off. It does leave a nice kind of like shine afterwards, which is why it's kind of so hard to get off of that microfiber cloth. But here's the car afterwards. It looks a lot better. I would recommend this product. I'm putting it in the description. But I mean, really, you can use water. This just kind of softens it up. So if you have concerns of it taking paint off, that's why I would turn to something like this. And it had been a few days. It'd probably been almost a week leaving this on and since I've had a chance to clean it. So I just had a little bit of concern. But again, the car looks a lot better. I need to clean the rest of the car off, but I just wanted to get rid of the bugs. And I hope this helps out, guys. And I hope you found this video useful.